You know, maybe I shouldn't get the jacket in the way. What's up, Nerdy Gamer Cosplay community? It is currently 2 days, well, less than 2 days, before I have to leave for Katsucon. What I'm really thankful about right now is that I personally don't have to do a lot for my cosplays except maybe like fix a zipper or fix like the little tabs on my skirt here. And that needs to be sewn down. I'm doing a lot for my friends' cosplays. Like, I'm about to run down and throw some laundry in. I have 7 cosplays I'm bringing to this convention. So we are bringing Saki, 2 nenes, Darling Dance Minori, which nobody knows about yet, except for Clover, Shizuku, Empty Sakai Miku, and Princess Anna. And that's 7 cosplays. And I've never done 7 cosplays to a con. So I'm gonna go throw this stuff in the laundry, and then I might start packing, honestly. It's probably a good idea. This is a formal message to Tom Higgs. Please let me into the Idol showcase on Friday. Please. Okay, so here's where I am in accordance with Eamon's cosplays. We currently have Scott Pilgrim on the floor. I just handed him off the things for 12. I have Hairspray, which I just picked up. Thank you, CBS 24 Hour, for having 3 bottles of Got2b. For Roxas from Kingdom Hearts. Where I am currently is, I have some cosplays hung up here. One of them's on the floor because I'm stupid. Nene's over here. Nene's also on the bed. My room's a mess, so I'm not going to show you the rest of it. Here is Anna. Darling Dance Minori is on the bed, half of her. Nene's hung up. Miku's hung up. The girls are up there. The girls are also over there. What I need to do right now is I need to style Roxas. I need to finish Scott Pilgrim. And I need to steam all of my cosplays. So I'm going to turn on some tunes. And I'm so exhausted, guys.
No. Are you looking him up?
It's Minori and On? No, you look... This is not Minuharu. You look more like On to me.
I don't know, man.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Haruka's my king. Also Salmon.
Happy Valentine's Day! Okay, so we have successfully packed everything. Everything is over there. There's a duffel bag. There's a suitcase. All of the wigs are in there. And I have the Saki uniform up there because we're going to be her tomorrow. But I have class tomorrow. I would skip class, but I'm not. So I have to do that tomorrow. And then as soon as I finish that, I have to wait until Eamon gets out of class. And then we're gonna just go to the con. I'm really tired. I'm really exhausted. I have to fold all my laundry. So I'm gonna do homework and then fold my laundry. Day 0 technically is tomorrow. Yay! So I am currently styling Roxas. I'm working on a new wig for him because Eamon gave me a new wig, and it's a much better. This was the original wig I was using. It's my old Tails wig. I'm going to now take out the spikes from it because it's my Tails wig, but I like this color better. But this is what we're working with. I'm using this wig picture, I can't zoom in, as a reference. I want to go to Katsucon. But I have to go to my class, which is on Zoom. And I'm not leaving until 2:30. Good morning. Katsucon Day 0 commences so soon. I sound freaking exhausted, guys. Okay, we're in Saki. I look okay. I don't think the bags under my eyes are helping me. But we're going to go throw everything in the car. And then we're going to get the fuck out of here. We made it to National Harbor. Oh. We're gonna go pick up our badges and I'm gonna go find Clover and Beppy, I think, and then take them home and then go to bed because I'm tired, but I'll vlog when I'm in the actual center. We made it into the Gaylord. We're here. I'm gonna go find Clover. I gotta go find my Honami. Got my badge. I got my badge. I got it, guys. We found this one. How do you feel to be at Katsucon?
I have been awake for 36 hours. Out of my misery.
That's not good. You should sleep.
I can sleep when I finish Miku and Nene. I need the hands so the backpack's on.
Boy, what the hell, boy? It's day 0 and Eamon already wants to drink. Hooray! Eamon has received his first alcoholic beverage. Yeah!
As much as I really would hope that,
Look at my eyes, dude.
as much as
They're so baggy.
Bro, don't even talk to me about it. It's so bad.
We're at CDS. Eamon's over there. But he doesn't know that I'm filming them, and it's very funny.
Here's the sleepy peepee. They're sleepy sleepers. He's a good boy.
I'm writing Valentine's. Good morning. Welcome to day 1. I'm Nene Yashiro today. Well, just for the morning. I look so much more refreshed today, and I don't look exhausted. And that's all that matters to me. Today's goal is getting into the Idol Fest. Tom Hicks, hi. Please let me into the Idol Fest. But yeah, we're gonna go pick up Eamon and Lake, and we're gonna go pick up the Wonderland Idols, and then we're gonna see you at the convention. Just picked up my first Dunkin' of the Katsucon trip, and that's all that matters to me. You know it's gonna be a good day when we start the day off with a Dunkin' coffee. We're here and I'm already very overwhelmed. Are you overwhelmed?
I am in I'm in half armor in a man suit. I am warm. And also cold at the same time. Man suit.
Man suit.
I wonder how many enemies are here. I can I'm dying. I gotta change so bad. I've been here for an hour. Wonderland Idols cameo?
Say goodbye to Nene. What did I get? Oh my god, it's from my boyfriend. Say goodbye to Nene. Bye, Nene. I'll be in a second, Nene, momentarily. We're Nene now. It's very warm here all of a sudden. We found an Irie. Do you want to say your @ and your...
Jelly.cosplays with 0 and I am in Sparkle Sekai.
Yeah! And that's Miku.
I got a new Shizuku for my bag. What?
I just took pictures in Nene, and now I'm gonna go change it to Minori.
I have watermelon.
I'm in Minori now. It's a nightmare getting this cosplay. I think it's like the easiest one. Can't really see it. But it was so difficult to get into it for some reason. Oh, elevator. I'm performing in the Idol show. They took me off the wait list. I'm at the end of the line. What?
Color at this point. No one can call you for being wrong. You're not going against the Miku. This isn't a Miku concert. Miku will kill you. We only missed the video on Pop Circum.
did it. I did the thing. I did the thing.
I took out my contact.
You did the thing. Bless you. I did the thing, and now we're at family dinner.
I got a Shirley Temple because I did a good job.
I forgot to mention that I saw a Raph, a Leo, and a Donnie before my performance, and I cried a little. It was the Rise ones too. I had a couple of people come up to me after, while Clover and I were taking minori pictures for me, and they were like, "Were you the minori? You were so cute and you were so good." And I literally almost cried. I'm really happy I got to perform today. I decided that I was doing Darling Dance at all super last minute, and the fact that I got to present it on stage to so many people was just amazing. And nothing bad happened, which I'm really happy about. But right now, I'm going to grab the car since we have a lot of stuff, and then I'm gonna go home, and I will see you guys when I'm home at least, because I want to see my puppies. I will see you there.
I have a visitor this morning. He won't leave me alone, and he's giving me lots of squishy love. You good boy. We're cosplaying her this morning. I don't think I'm gonna go to the formal because I'm really tired, and in order to go to the formal, I have to wear a big poofy ball gown, and I really don't want to do that today. So I'm just gonna go Zana tomorrow and have my fun with that. So I'm gonna go get into Shizuku, and then I'm gonna go pick everyone up. You good boy. So Clover has all of my makeup, so I have to go completely bald to the con just for right now. I put the bin on the bed. I looked at it and I said, none of my palettes are here. So I texted Clover, and Clover's like, oh, I have them. I can do this. I can do this.
I'm Shizuku now.
I just make that.
By the way, I found this one.
Hi.
It's that.
I'm a creature.
Thing, that little thing.
I'm so small.
Are you ready?
I know how to open this.
Anna, yo!
Yeah.
That's you!
That's me!
What the hell?
Oh my god, it's me! Okay.
So we got Anna.
Open. Another
Oh my god! I'm here to say that these live was absolutely incredible. Now I'm waiting to go into Artist Alley because I actually haven't gone in yet. But Eamon is going back to Dealer's Hall because his friend needed pictures of something, and then I'm also waiting for Lake. So we'll see what's in the Artist Alley. Do us a fun little trick. Do a trick. I'm running insanely late to the mask, but I'm Miku now. I changed into Miku and now I'm at the masquerade.
Wait, hold on.
Dog.
Dog. I've never been able to sit this close at a masquerade before, so this is pretty cool.
Yeah, you just got this fight your way up front.
Constitution says you do.
And so do I.
Hello, Wonderland Idols. It's me, your biggest fan. You are now one of my elite employees.
I think you talked to the remote when I came through my phone. I mean, my TV.
That one's stiff permanently on 10.
Day 2 done. Getting out of Miko. I am so tired. So so I'm just gonna go to bed. So I'll see you tomorrow. I'm half an Anna right now, but it's the last day of the con. And I'm only half an Anna because I'm just gonna get ready in the rest of the parking lot because I'm not driving in a giant hoop skirt. But today is the Azalea Live, and I have to do some shopping, and then I have a photo shoot, and then that's the last day of Katsucon. And my voice is completely gone now, so that's awesome.
Never been in an outfit before. This is the character I am right now.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Why does he dress like this? He's supposed to be a fashion designer.
I found a bunch of more Jump and Leonid stuff, and that's all that matters to me. I bought it. I love when nobody likes the group that I like, so I get all the merch. Princess Anna likes Idol merch? No way. I love more Jump. Also, I forgot to mention that I got a Leonid Miku. I've kind of accepted my fate as a Leonid fan solely because Shiho Hinori and Saki Tenma exist, and I love them more than life itself, actually. My cut that I got yesterday from doing gacha with Liv is significantly getting worse. I think it got redder. It hurts. It's like not terrible today, but it hurts kind of bad. But currently I'm waiting for Wisteria and Bella. I've never met Bella, but I've been in musicals with them since like 2021, I think. So this is gonna be really exciting. And I'm also meeting up with Atlas later because I haven't seen Atlas since 2022 at Otakon. And I'm meeting up with Danica as well because Danica is my Elsa today, actually. Look at the dogs. I love dogs.
Like, I love that.
For context, we were all Dream SMP mutuals in like 2021, and I hated it. I'm stupid and forgot to take off my Ninja Turtle pants. Rocks your ass. Rocks. The only thing I wanted from Artist Alley was the only Sakai thing that they had left, and now I'm... Look at her. I found my Elsa.
It's me.
It's the bitch. It's not nice. We're leaving. Bye. Oh, I can't believe Katsucon is like fucking over. Or like, not technically over yet until like 5, but it's over for us. I can't wait to go back to school. Literally said nobody ever, but you know. We have escaped from the Katsucon wrath. I'm currently parked in front of Lake's house. We're gonna drive home today. By home, I mean back to school. And as soon as I get to school, I'm going to do a haul of all the things that I bought. We've officially left the actual convention. The convention is over. And I'm so upset. I want to go back. I miss it. I've literally been gone for an hour and I miss it. But I would like to unpack first. So I'll vlog when I get back to school. I just got back to school. I have not taken my makeup off. So I'm gonna lay out all the things that I got and do a little haul. So give me a minute and I'll show you everything that I got. We're gonna start here because my little child is right here. And I love her so much. She's so cute and small. So here's the spread. Surprising to literally nobody, it's all Project Sekai stuff because I'm a little insane. So let's start over here. I got a Leonid towel. I got a Murmur Jump coaster. I got a Shiho band. I got an empty Sakai Miku acrylic. Here is the artist if you're interested. It's so cute. I pulled Shizuku in a gacha, and then I got all these really fun little trading cards, or just cards in general, and most of them are more jump. I think there's like one VBS, one Leonid. Yeah. Kind of. These are all the cards, but I did pull my girlies, so that's really all that matters to me. And then I got these little like fans, which Clover actually showed me the Murmur Jump one. I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to go find these. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna get the Murmur Jump one because it's Murmur Jump. But it looks lonely and sad, so let's get Leonid because these were the last ones left. So I was like, I need to buy these. I'm like, well, I mean, I love Leonid as much as the literal not next person because of Miss Shiho Misaki. They had the virtual singer one, and I wasn't thinking about getting the virtual singer one until I saw the empty Sakai Miku. That's what that back looks like. So I got that, and then I got two Sakai Miku figures. This one's for me. She's gonna go up there. There's my Miku shrine for anybody who is interested. But the Wanda Show Miku is actually for my partner because he saw one at a shop near his house the other day and wasn't able to get it. So I wanted to surprise him with one. So he got a Miku from me. So now Katsucon's officially over because I showed you the whole haul. That's the end of the vlog. That's so sad. But I think the next big vlog will be AwesomeCon, which I will be going to in 3 weeks. So stay tuned for that. But otherwise, I really hope that you enjoyed this vlog as much as I loved making it. And I hope to see you guys in the very next one. Bye.